Alright guys, so I got this really neat fire department mold. Um, so what I want to do is I want to cast this in the J. Dixon ResinCrete. So we're going to be using this. Um, so it's for every 100 grams you mix, it's 30 grams of water. You have 8 minutes of working time with it for 20 minutes of curing. So we'll do put about 150 grams. All right. So because I used 150 grams, I have to use 45 grams of water to mix this up. All right. It's all mixed up. Stir it up real good. Just stir it until it's not lumpy no more. This stuff uh, mixes very well. Becomes very soupy. Surprised at the least amount of water that you need to make this stuff work. So I think I'm going to do is probably pour this one just plain white so I can paint it myself. So that's what we're going to do. Pour this one just plain white. Hopefully we have enough. If not, well, make more. So you know what? We're going to leave it at that. I'm not going to fill this all the way to the top. No reason to. It doesn't have to be as thick as the mold. So we'll leave it at that. Just give it a couple drops to make sure that all the bubbles that are down there are out. So like I said, we'll leave this to cure. This one should be done 15-20 minutes at the most. So once that's cured, we'll demold it and we'll go from there. See you soon. All right, guys. So this has been about a half hour, nice and solid. So we'll give her a little demold here. See how well it turned out. I really like the way that came out. It came out really nice. Definitely something I will do again. Like I said, I'm going to paint it. Let me zoom in on it for you. So definitely use this mold again. I mean, I got a couple air bubbles, but you know, that's nothing you can do about that. So Yep. So that's it for this one. I'll see you for the next one.